Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can get Tate's woodworking plan just for $47. Normally if you visit the Tate's woodworking plan website, then you will see you need to pay $67 for the exact same thing, 16,000 plans and all the bonuses. But there is a way you can get it just for $47, and I am going to show you exactly that. But I don't know how long this link will work because it is a invite only link. That's why make sure to check the link in the description that I have given to this exact page from which you can get this Tate's woodworking plan for $47 only. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it in a step-by-step process. So firstly, simply click the link that is available in the description of this video, and then you'll see this kind of interface. So it says, wait, don't leave empty handed, claim your $20 discount now. Now if you scroll down below, you can watch this video or you can simply click on claim your discount. And then if you scroll down below, it says $47. Now you can simply pay this $47 and get all the Tate's woodworking 16,000 plans and bonuses. So now if you just click on their official website that says $67, if you click on there, then you need to pay $67. So let me show you that also. Okay, so here you can see, click here to get access. So as you can see here, $67. So the page that I am showing you is by invite only page, so that's why it may not last long, and it is your choice if you want to go with it or not. And both of these are the official website of Tate's woodworking, and I thought this video would be helpful for lots of people in order to grab this $20 discount. That's why I made this video and keep the exact link to this website in the description of this video. Please do like this video, and if you have any questions, please do comment in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.